Hey everybody, so I got the water kettle from OVENTE today. Now I've had this one for a little over 3 years now, and it's still working great. It's still one of the ones that I use the most. Now I don't use this one for my coffee normally, or my tea, just because this one is pretty much a one temperature boil. But let me go ahead and throw some water in it, and I'll show you how well it works and how quick it works. All right, I have it filled up with my tap water. Now my tap water is a little bit colder compared to some, but we are going to start off with 57 degrees, just to let you know. Also, it's a minimum of half a liter and the maximum of 1.5 liters. Now, I do have it plugged in, and in order to turn it on, just flip the little switch right here at the top. It will have a blue light when it starts up. This starts heating up so quickly, there's already some bubbles going on in here. Get a little bit of a close-up. We can see the bubbles are starting to speed up a little bit. It's 8:38, so about 1 minute. It took less than a minute for bubbles. All right, we are at 8:42, so we are at about 5 minutes here. It's starting to pick up a little bit, bubble a little bit faster, and I can hear it making noise. I'm not sure if the microphone can catch it or not. So it probably is going to take closer to the 7-minute mark for boiling on this one for me tonight. And we have a boil. It is actually about 7.5 minutes. All right, it finished and the light turned off. And like I said in the background there, it took actually about 7.5 minutes. And I was using colder water from the well, so keep that in mind. If you happen to be using like room temperature from like a jug, which normally is what I would be using, it will go like 4 minutes, 4 or 5 minutes. It really depends on the starting temperature of your water, but it did take about 8 minutes starting at 56 degrees. Now, this may not be the quickest of all of them. You could do it quicker in the microwave, of course. And if you are across the pond, they actually have the 240 ones, which will go a heck of a lot faster than the American versions that we have. Anyway, hopefully this gives you a good idea what to expect with this kettle. It has worked really well for me for over 3 years. Still works great. You can start your water, walk away. It's going to be safe. You don't have to worry about your stove being unattended. And it will shut off when it's done. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.